I bring you this cryptocurrency video from Sweden, Gothenburg. Today, I want to talk about something that I believe so many people are struggling with when it comes to cryptocurrency. I've realized that not so many people understand what actually crypto is all about and how they can get involved in it. Most people will learn about cryptocurrency. They heard this from a friend who told them they have made money in cryptocurrency, or they bought Bitcoin and it went like to the sky and they make this amount of money, but they didn't really understand how crypto works. What's the purpose for crypto? Why crypto was established? Why are people buying? Why are many countries adopting cryptocurrency? These guys don't have this education. They just rush and buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and it pumped to the upside. They made some money and they were like, I'm a genius, I made money in cryptocurrency, I bought Bitcoin, and Bitcoin went to the upside. Now that we are facing a bear market, most of them are struggling, most of them are crying and saying that crypto is a scam, crypto is not good. But guys, they didn't get the knowledge from day one what crypto is all about, and this is the reason why they are facing these challenges. Guys, let me tell you something. When it comes to investing in any financial market, you need to understand the asset class that you are investing in, why you are investing in that asset class, like how sustainable is the asset that you are investing in terms of the future, right? So if say you don't have all this sorted out in the beginning, then you are just gambling around. You need to understand exactly what you're doing, or maybe have someone educate you, or be your investment manager, right, to guide you throughout the process of your investment. You don't have to know it all. Maybe you don't have time, you have 2 jobs, you are doing so much, that you don't have time to go about checking Bitcoin, the price, or to know when to buy, when not to buy. All you can do is give that money to someone who understands how to go about it, how they can help you to build a sustainable portfolio that will make you money over a long period of time. So I believe that so many people have faced this challenge, and it has caused them not to want to invest in cryptocurrency again, and they are thinking that because the market is going down, because prices of different assets are going down, it means crypto is a scam and blah blah blah. Guys, let me tell you something. When you have been investing in an asset class for the past 10 years or 5 years or 3 years, and you have made some profit, won't you cash out your profit? Of course you're going to cash out your profit, right? And if say you cash out profit, what will happen? If say so many people cash out profit at the same time, if say so many people cash out profit at the same time, what will happen? The market will go down. So when market goes down, it doesn't mean that the asset is bad. It means that people are getting out profit, and they see it as over expensive, and they want to get out profit, and they want it to come to a zone where they can buy back and make more money, right? So I don't understand why people who say Bitcoin is not good, Bitcoin is bad, or Bitcoin is blah blah blah, or Ethereum is that. But what they fail to understand is over a period of over a decade or years right now, right, when you look at this asset class, they have performed really well, right, over a long period of time. So if say you bought Ethereum 2 years ago, or you bought Bitcoin 2 years ago, the value that you must have gotten from that asset, right, it would have been tremendous. Right? So when you are investing, you should invest for the long term, right? Don't have this mindset of the fact that you want to invest now to make quick money, because there's no quick money anywhere. There's no quick cash. You cannot make quick cash just like that. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, there are people who bought Bitcoin or Ethereum when the market was going up. They made some profit, and they were like, oh, they were like genius, they were like making money, oh, they knew everything. But now that the market is going down, they are losing money because they didn't have any reliable plan to make something sustainable for themselves. So guys, this problem that I'm talking about is account management, it's portfolio management. Many people don't understand how to manage portfolio, how to build a sustainable portfolio that will make them money over a long period of time. They just rush and want to buy an asset, or buy this because a friend tells them to buy this or buy that. I don't want you to fall prey to that. So what I want you to do is, before you invest in any asset, you should understand that there is so much you need to know before you even get involved to buying and holding for a longer period of time. So, you know, make sure you understand like the future of the project you are buying, you know, how sustainable it is for the future. And if say you don't have this knowledge, then I don't see any reason why you should go and start buying this asset, right? It won't help you in any way to get the result that you want. That's where I come in. I can help you build a real sustainable portfolio that will make you money over a long period of time. I've been in crypto for a long time now, and I have seen it all. I've been in a position where I lose money, make money, and right now I want to help people out there to do the same. And I believe that when you do the right thing, you're gonna make a lot of profit. So I'm here to guide you. I'm here to show you how you can go about making something sustainable for yourself. And trust me when I say I've been in this space for a long time now. I have been here for a long time now, and I'm gonna still be here for a longer period of time. I've seen the opportunity in this space, and I want to educate people out there to see the opportunity. You don't have to know everything. You don't have to understand everything. You don't have to know everything. What you need to understand is, do you have someone who knows so much what he's doing and can guide you and can help you to get to that where you want to be in the future? If say you understand this, then I'm gonna recommend you reach out to me so that we can start something together. I can help you to build that portfolio that you want for yourself. Also, if say you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, because I create content that will help you to build wealth from scratch. I want to help you. I want you to be that person who is going to succeed building wealth regardless what is happening in the market. So if say you really want to build wealth, you really want to be winning always, then I'm going to recommend, I'm sweating because it's so much hot, it's so heat here in Sweden. So if say you want to succeed, then make sure you hit the bell button right now, subscribe, share this content, and connect with me on social platform, and send me an email also so that we can connect with each other. We can book an appointment and we can talk further on how I can help you to build something sustainable for yourself. Until then, guys, I wish you all a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Yeah.